The first request from my Christmas dinner video was send me the cornbread recipe, please. So here we go. This is a cornbread recipe. To a bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of cornmeal, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of sugar. And you're going to combine all that up, and then now you're going to add to another bowl your wet ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of milk, half a cup of melted butter, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and about 1/4 cup of honey. You're going to combine all that, and then you're going to add that to your dry ingredients. You're going to mix it until it looks like that. Oh, and I also added some sour cream to my recipe, maybe about half a cup of sour cream. This just give it an extra layer of moisture. Then you're going to bake in the oven at about 350 for maybe 20 minutes. I don't remember. when it's done baking, like the last 10-15 minutes, then I added some butter with honey on top, and voila, done.